Hello everybody, welcome back to Vegas Politics. And Governor Sisolak just wrapped up a press conference regarding coronavirus, and some new mandates have occurred. We'll get right into it, but I want to start with the latest numbers. There has been a 4-week upward trend in positive cases, but that was expected due to the reopening, large protests, and that more testing is available. Patients requiring ICU beds and ventilators are holding steady. That's really good news. There, in many states, there are spikes in those, but Nevada is staying steady. And the hospital systems are confident that they can take care of all Nevadans when needed, and that's great news as well. But Governor Sisolak said, we have taken a couple steps back. There has been instances where people are not wearing masks, large gatherings, and even him himself, he was not wearing a mask the other day. But he has issued a mandate or a directive. Nevadans must wear a face mask starting Friday at all private and public businesses. So, face masks will be required. Exemptions for the face masks include kids aged 0 to 9 or a person with a medical condition that makes it hard to breathe with a mask on. So, example, people with asthma might not have to wear the mask because it will be hard for them to breathe. Businesses have the right to refuse service to any customer not wearing a mask, and OSHA will be coming to businesses to make sure that they're complying to these rules. The governor stated, no shoes, no shirt, no mask, no service. And Phase 3 update. Phase 3 will be tabled until data from the face mask directive shows otherwise. So we were supposed to go into Phase 3 at the end of the month. That is not going to happen at all. Now we're going to go to Dieter and the budget shortfall. The governor said the general budget shortfall is $1.275 billion due to the coronavirus pandemic and the shutdown. And he also said Dieter is trying their best, and he provided no new updates on Dieter. The director, Heather, left a couple of days ago because of death threats, and now they don't have a plan in place to get a new person there. And it's really sad for Nevadans who are trying to file for unemployment, who have tried to been filing for 3 months, and they still can't get their benefits. The eviction moratorium will be addressed in the next couple of days. I don't know why he just didn't address it today. He said, I'll address it before the end of the month. So, okay, 4 or 5 days from now, we will know. And the governor also said, it is troubling that wearing masks has become a partisan issue. And it is kind of troubling. Democrats are requiring their citizens to wear masks. Republicans aren't. But I feel like there should be a bit of freedom. And I feel like if you want to wear a mask, wear a mask. And businesses can make you wear a mask, but I don't think it should be statewide. And an interesting part of the press conference, a reporter asked the governor if the increased testing has anything to do with more cases. Sisolak shut that down. He said he denied that and said the increased cases are because people are not wearing their face masks, which I do not think is true at all. I think that has something to do with it, the reopening and the increased testing as well. But the percent positive is still at 5.6%. So we could probably go to Phase 3, but the governor will not allow that. Also, you can apply to be a contract tracer. In both southern and northern Nevada, they're looking for new people to fill this, new and more people to fill this, because more people, the better it is to see who has the coronavirus and who is spreading it. And so a reporter asked if he will make tourists who come in from high-risk areas quarantine for 14 days, and he said he will not do that because Nevada relies a ton on tourists and tourism. So there you guys go, some updates from the governor. There'll be more in the next couple days. The legislative session will take place in July, and we will have more news in the next couple days and next couple weeks regarding COVID-19 and the reopening of the state. But the main thing today, face masks are now required starting on Friday, so a business can refuse service to you if you're not wearing a face mask. So there you guys go. Thank you guys so much for tuning in. I'll talk to you guys again real soon.